Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, let's try the traditional Malabar beef roast recipe. At first, let's see the ingredients used. Red meat or beef 1.5 kg, two medium-sized onion chopped, two medium-sized tomatoes chopped, ginger, garlic and green chilli crushed, coriander powder 3 tablespoons, fenugreek seeds 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of fennel powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of salt, and then some shallots and curry leaves for seasoning. Now let's see how to prepare this. All the ingredients other than the ingredients for seasoning add into a pressure cooker. Mix it until all the ingredients are combined very well. Cover the lid and place it on the stove over high flame. After the first whistle, reduce the flame and cook for 15 to 20 minutes over very low flame. When the pressure is completely released, open the cooker and mix it well. Even if we did not add any water into this, we can see that the water has come down from the beef. Now, place a clay pot on the stove, add some coconut oil into this, adding shallots, just saute it, adding curry leaves too, now let's transfer the beef into this. Cook it over high flame in order to dry up the water content completely. Stir occasionally. the water has completely dried up, add few curry leaves and turn up the flame. Our beef roast is ready now. This is a very tasty and delicious dish. Goes with chapati, rice, patiri and so on. So just try this recipe and let me know your suggestions. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and share this video. Also, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, click subscribe button and give bell for getting notifications on my updates. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with another recipe.